and it feels unreal. I don't believe it.
It's a bittersweet situation. I don't want to leave this place because it feels like home and I have my family here.
Feels like I just started. I can't believe it's already been 4 years. I just remember still the very first day जो मैं आया university में. I don't feel like बहुत ज़्यादा time गुजरा है मेरा, and that's a good thing because it means कि मज़ा आया है.
I'm counting down the days. I have a whiteboard उस पर लिखा हुआ है 78 days left.
We used to talk about it when we were in freshman year. Now it's happening, and now I'm a bit scared because it's like, okay, adult life.
First day I got to uni, I didn't know how to get in, I didn't know what to do. Lost my ID card, second day of uni.
The person that I was when I came into this university and the person that I am now is very different. So I think I've matured a lot.
I am grateful that I chose Habib. How the interdisciplinary approach to education has helped me foster my thinking.
I've gotten a lot of opportunities as a result of Habib, which I otherwise would not have been able to access. So Malaysia, UADC. Also, I got the scholarship to go to UC Berkeley through the Learn About program, and general things like that. These are not things I would have otherwise been able to access.
Through Habib University, I've gotten 2 really good internships, one at Engro, one at Spursol, and I feel like it gives you a whole rounded education more than just studies. It's also going to give you practicality.
One of the best parts of Habib, I think, is the faculty here. All of the professors that I've studied with have been phenomenal in all the senses. The way they teach, the way they care about you, the way they want you to learn, basically, and not just teach. That is the best part of Habib.
Support, guidance, and light that the faculty gave me. I discovered a lot of passions. I realized a lot of things about myself that I would not have otherwise. And I'm really grateful for their support through these 4 years.
Time when I took a course and I was at my very low point, but the way my friends pushed me and the course instructor himself made me realize that I'm way more than my grades. I think that will be one of the most favorite memories I'll cherish after I graduate.
One thing I noticed on the first day I entered is that there's no discrimination between the level you're at as a student, whether final year or freshie. Everybody is treated the same way.
Habib really has that environment which is super welcoming. Everybody's really sweet. Everybody embodies the kindness that our community is known for.
I made friends that I never hoped because I was very introvert when I came in. But now when I'm going out, I think I have good quality friends that I'm taking along with myself.
I really got to meet the most diverse group of people, and I saw these people grow along with me and I grew along with them. It was a wonderful experience and I wouldn't trade it for the world.
Habib is the place where I finally got to put that saying to place, which is blood by choice. So I found my family, my chosen family in Habib.
All of those moments that I spent with my friends here, having impromptu parties, going to, I shouldn't be saying this, but going to cafes and bunking our classes, just in the moment kind of thing. Those are the times I'm gonna most, I think, miss.
My most memorable moments have been with my friends, meeting them and spending time with them, sharing my youth with them. It was fun.
It would be finding a home in Projects Lab for sure, falling asleep in random places and then being told to get up.
I never thought I'd be over 20 and jump on a trampoline, so it was one of the carnivals where friends were just on it. So that would be something to remember.
Well, the Bayan concert was indeed one of the most memorable moments.
We did a theatre, just when we did this research and it was a 3-day thing. There were a lot of big people coming to see us. I think I'll never forget the premiere of that theatre.
It was last semester. I took a class called Art of Kathak, and the final performance was definitely one of the best moments I had.
Right now is pretty memorable because it's last semester and just wearing the gown makes me feel really happy. I didn't know I'd feel this happy.
I'm glad that the 4 years that I spent here are finally coming to a very fruitful end. But of course, leaving a place where I spent my 4 years of my life and building friendships and spending lots of moments and having lots of memories, it also feels sad.
Everyone should be proud that they're graduating after 4 years of working hard.
It feels good. It feels like the end of an arc, a culmination of a lot of things that were happening.
Habib was such an integral part of my life, and leaving it behind is sort of surreal, but I think I'm ready for this next stage in my life.
I don't want to limit it to only one. I would say the experiences I've had with my friends, within my courses and with faculty, I would say it's all been very memorable.
Roller coaster ride.
Interesting.
Memorable.
Balanced.
Growth.
Progressive.
Diverse.
Fun.
Transformative.
Yasin?
Supportive.
Unexpected.
Home.